Can parents of US citizens and brothers and sisters of US citizens who are now barred under the 60-day presidential order still file new cases while this order is in place? Watch this video and I'll tell you more. Hello everybody. In this video, we're going to answer a question that I'm getting a lot in the past week or so since the presidential 60-day suspension of immigration came into effect. And the question is whether parents of US citizens who are now excluded, those parents that are overseas waiting for their interviews, and brothers and sisters, are they excluded from filing new cases to initiate that kind of process? So I'm going to break it down in this video. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We do videos like that every single week, answering your questions, receiving suggestions, and also providing updates on immigration changes that happen almost every single day. My name is Jacob Sapochnick, and I'm an immigration attorney located in San Diego, California. We represent clients in all 50 states, and we're excited to empower you with knowledge and information about immigration to help you survive these crazy times. Let's talk about the issue of the 60-day ban and whether people that are excluded from this ban, can they file new cases? So if you're a parent of a US citizen and you're overseas and your son who is a US citizen wants to start a case for you, you can do that right now. If you're a brother or a sister of a US citizen and you're thinking about filing for to start your immigration process, as long as we know it's going to take forever, it's going to take many, many years, that 60-day ban is not stopping people from filing. If you want to start a case, the way it works is that the beginning of the petition is called an I-130, typically, an immigrant petition, and that starts with USCIS. That is still possible. You can still file. If you want to start the process for your parents, you can file today. That has not stopped. What has stopped is if your parent is waiting for an interview right now and they're not going to be able to go to an interview because of the 60-day ban at the US consulate and embassies worldwide, including this particular order. But remember, the US embassies and consulates are already closed for more than a month right now. So this particular order does not really have such a big impact on the wait time for these people that have already been waiting. But if you're thinking about starting a new case right now for your brother or sister, for your parent, for a child who is over 21, over a permanent resident, those classes of people that are currently excluded under this order, you can initiate it right now. They have not stopped you from filing cases. What has stopped right now is people that are overseas from coming in or getting their interviews in order. The similar thing happened with the ban. If you remember, there was a ban which is still in effect in several countries, and those people are not able to come here unless they have an exception. But the actual filing of their cases, the I-130 to initiate, that has never stopped. People are able to file for their relatives, except that when they go to the interview, or if there is an interview, then the consulate will decide if they have an exception for them to be excluded from the ban. So similar thing here. As long as your case has not started yet, you can initiate a case right now. It's going to take many months before your case was even going to be scheduled for an interview. And by then, hopefully, we're not going to have that ban. But for now, it's not stopping people from filing for their parents, initiating that process, or for siblings, and several other classes of people that are currently excluded under that ban. So hopefully that kind of clarifies that, because I think there's a lot of confusion there too. And if you have any other questions, make sure you post them in the comments below. Let me know what other videos you want to do. If you want to continue the discussion, we have a special private Facebook group we've created where we are discussing questions, answering questions. Members are posting their experience going through the ban or any other immigration processes. It's a beautiful community, and I encourage you to join and continue the conversation in our Facebook group. Any other questions and any other videos you want me to do, make sure you post those ideas in the comments right below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.